some of the ladies, what they would demand them have things. I was about One get to no look of money, all if I fee on the money, all if I fee on the money I use and buy things game are the thoughts that count. If Jason I use my own money buy things, give me wood not so bad, not so bad. Jason I take out my money, I can get remember one blood clot, they might draw 100,000. Or I'm go back in, I'm go back account, it has 65,000 left. So Mr. Jakes, me draw the money after 2. We do 35,000. Since night come down, him can't answer. Them time the girl and my sister they cross the road. I mean I say, where do my money? And somebody they say the two of them get up and start to whisper. You know what him do? Get up for fight me and slam my head on the wall for people more here in business. Them time that Jakes I take my money, every minute my money missing. Every minute me I tell Toto my money been a missing. Every minute my money missing. So I can't try it and have it. Cause them the girl and I go want you. Cause them the girl a pussy seller. See when you meet her, so I see when you meet her, so she go and left you. I'm gonna go beat eye for her pussy and her mouth and she go left you just like that. See when you meet her, I see him so you go left her. I'm gonna go beat eye for all your pussy. I'm gonna go fuck you for her. Can they can't get her money? She gone. Any day you can't get her money, she gone. They don't go uplift for you, them go buy some clothes. Go buy some clothes, bathe and wash your foot. The same way the same blood clot we owe. You meet her the same blood clot where she go left you. Her pussy she sell. I remember the night clearly. My job, my money them to go 35,000. And she and my sister they cross the road. And them slam me head on the wall. I said, oh yeah, but it's true me know so I tell you this, been a fool in the life, you know. Don't take my light. Don't someone to stop following me and me error them. Don't take my light. I'm smart. I'm very fucking smart. You see the blood clot night when I talk about money? And me I bust it. Him no want me talk because it wasn't across the road. You hear him so time out? If I smart him, I want to cross the road, hear me. So I to myself say, what do you mean by if I smart across the road, I want to hear me? I'm not busy with people across the road, I'm a fucking money me I talk about. I'm a fucking money me I talk about. Them telling me the girl a blood clad fuck. So, when I ring Toto phone and tell Toto me I miss my 20, I'm a 30, I'm a $15,000. My draw 100,000 can't serve for 3 days. As a quint it done. I know how much I take out, I know how much I left. Just where you use the money and do. Boy, I take out 5,000 this morning, do this. And I say I take out my money every minute. Never know say you're in the blood clot. The girl have my money a blood clot give. No, you're not. You know him now about the IDAR. You know about the IDAR now. Him now about the IDAR now because people see me come out our house. People see them round the lane. Him start right up with her now. That one girl where him say him never did a blood clot fuck from the get-go. Him start to right up with her now. When I'm going to take out my 20, I'm a 30,000 and gear. That the stinking boy the way you see. But anytime me call him name again, me can't call him name anytime until anything come out. Let us play the Game of Thrones. We feel like say all of my money we take out the blood clot girl. The logos go under the carpet. I dead before this and you think me like me not get up? Game of Thrones. Me not get up. All of my money to go the blood clot, girl. I can't come fuck her in my blood clot bed. And you look at me and tell me say you're not there. We feel like somebody got blood clot, I can slide through the window, about cat. Not slide through the window, baby. Not slide through the window. No time. Anytime I remember me a class, yo. And your whole generation of family, them. The whole of uno. Whole generation I want me arrow about. The lie we slung and tell. The whole generation of them me arrow about. From the moment when I'm on a bed, to him when we have on the dirty foot and slippers, till all him brother when me say I was coming up in my blood clot in your class. Remember me have the remedy. Anytime I feel like I see screen a card with him blood clot, better come talk about Jakes and mother and father for mute them. Pussy Jakes man blood clot picnic. Oh, no enough, so. Oh, no enough, so. Jakes man picnic. I don't want a piece of cloud. No TikTok really I find out who Jakes is. Me so to take a little time and I come back on my foot. I spit and move, you know. Spit and move. Come here, wonder, oh me full of a man more than my youth them. A few people used to believe in me. I know them by name and nature. I want the boy come with the light store and the slung on the name and take it down the top. I'm man have evil. She love man more than her blood clot pity them. And I me mind them. Wednesday I go in and drop him because of bam money. I go a nigga and come back Wednesday again, bam money. By Tuesday, Wednesday again, bam, where them want? I show the quote hard, I know everybody I watch, but don't even go into the girl yard. Cause everybody I watch, I want to come up with a story. I want to can't prison me, you know. I want to can't something from get what is mine. It's smarter than the world. I just have it. I want to talk to my people, me buy them 2 phone. Me buy them 2 phone and 2 chip. I always correspond with my youth them. Always. Me buy them 2 phone and 2 blood clot chip. I want them to call them. My daughter talk daily. You don't have to see we are talking on the street, but we correspond. But them say to us, a wicked woman come here. Yeah, no. We are calling my government name. You say your government name that? You say wicked woman, yes. Mommy, why I was calling my government name? I say, nothing. But the way I clap the tease them, me dear. Me say, me love, can I tell you? Me say, she just call me a while ago. Me say, miss me, I gotta do my work. Mommy, we don't leave daddy, we don't leave the man alone. Me say, I want to know, him come on here, say, I cuss. I talk to him, woman, on phone and I cuss you. Him coming here, we have to say him out the circus. I talk to my people every day. I want people me have when I look on people in a bar. Say him not say much. But you know the whole and I watch me, nobody go around there. Yeah. Because you know say, none of them not like me long time. Because when I rank my money, I walk and feed some of them in a scheme. I know them not like me, so them walk and watch me. Everybody I watch me, so you know what me do? I buy my pin in them 2 phone and correspond them through the phone. If I want to see them, I will a video call. My mama still in a court session. And I have me youth them, I correspond with them every day, but what? I not make them say, because everybody I watch. For you something for carry me down in a courthouse. Somebody that go around there. You want nothing, you ring my phone. Me get it done, no worry. Everybody I watch. I should know so the father I was in the lane. I try less to go around there. Let me in a war. I not go around there. Him always in the lane. Him always in the lane. Me not go around there. Me not go around there, no. Pop in and pop out. Me not go around me there every day. Because I'm out of where I want. I'm always in the lane and I don't want nobody go say me come around. Me don't want it because remember them not like me, no. Remember them not like me, no. Remember them not like me. Wonder for someone understand what me I say. Remember, say them not him the blood clot like me, you know. Remember, say them the blood clot like me. And the people that wanna like me, him friend them and I feed them. Them not like me, you know, the one of them not like me, him friend them and feed them for them out upon him side. So to me know them house in the lane and them I do him live, me no go around there. It's true me know say, me and my friend and them friend them wanna like me. And me know I feed them, me no go around there. More me you them call them have a phone. Everybody have a phone. Everybody have on credit. Everybody have Wi-Fi. Call me. Them not tell a lie for me and them not sink me more. And them not stop me from get what is mine. Cause them token that belongs to me. I should me want to go right by the books. Me not even told me not tarry. Cause me not make two mistakes. Me not make the same mistake twice. Sick of me ego. For being at chattings with dirty man. Me not go around there. One man in me a pass and want something when me look. Live I hear my business. Me don't say whoa murder. Them say me I walk up oh someone can tell that. Oh someone can tell that on my site I don't know me not like you know. I walk past. I know so when me a pass, it's live on. Somebody type in the comments. I've looked at moderator and move them, but somebody type in the comments and my eye grab it. If me still love JAKES. You still love JAKES. Let me be honest. Sometime, I think about the decision I make. When I feel lonely, sometimes I will feel lonely and think about the decision I make. And every single time I think about the decision I make, every single time I want thing, my other spirit tell me, say, you have made the right choice. Nope, nope, and nope. No, no, no. You're alright. You're alright. Me could never take back JAKES and you can't girl come fucking in my bed. I saw me that love man and fool. You have money at the girl. Or you for have my money when me come rank at the girl. And we have two hungry belly pitney. What's the levels of respect is that? No, be real. What is the level of respect you have for you take up my money when me draw? I give you man. You don't respect me, so the fuck me I do with you? Or can I go and say I love that man to anybody at all? Yeah, I will come ball and I tell people say my fuck for me. The world tell me say I lie, me I tell. What kind of respect I live here where I take up minds? When me come sit up on my ass and chat and beg for hours. I get girl for one broke. Girl whenever can buy a pair of slippers. The person about them have another red one and me buy it. When me I come from Panama. The clothes them one is me buy it. The clothes of memory is me buy it. So I'm gonna take you back. I talk about waste girl where you can't go yard the roadside of the life. Your house not done yet. Your house not done yet. And the blood clot go on a pallet before you do life over there. You have to stand up in the lane every day I do life. If I even left you, I see you improve. Cause remember, you know, people have money, people will have money house done quick. Cause for build a house, you take 10, 20, and 30 and $40. And for build a house, take time. Cause the black them can go up with your cast it off, and it still don't make no sense. And a $10 bill house. My father bill house before my daughter bought, and my daughter 10. And I one part him finish out and catch a night. Him not in the bathroom, nothing more than the day. The all one done. And me matter about rate and blame. I mean I put my money in a female establishment because remember the toe head no good. on a $10 bill house. When you're doing things, you have to save for it. So you save enough, you know, so alright then that money don't have to do this, and that money don't have for this. You know, just get up and do things so. It will never complete. That's why some people start have kids when I put it one word. Some people start have kids. Some people have kids when I'm older. When I'm have it, can maintain them kids. I just girl like me and some other stuff girl as we fuck we breed, cause we are easy breed and we just breed. I'm $10 for bills. Lane blacker one. Lane blacker one. Chaos in the house. Render it, tile it out, render it, every blood clotting, fixed up it, every blood clotting, grill it. And put French and night blood clot. And a $10 bills. But I'm glad for him effort. I work, man. And a $10 bills. But I'm glad for him effort. Me say no $10 bills. House expensive more than car. House is expensive more than car. Because if I know 1 building, him I do more than 1 building. So the only thing him can do now, I carry it up and cast it and try paint out the building and put Solitex, put paint out the building, put 2 windows in one door and put linoleum at the ground and put 1 bed in it and 1 fan and 1 box and come from over the gully. The rest of the part gonna keep on pending. And a $5 and $10 bills if you pay work, man. But we can't tell a man to do a man. I don't want to talk. People say a bad mind. Or we left them and them do what they want to do. And plus you have one look of skiddy blue, one look of skibbing boo boo. You learn them out of money. We have to get 10 and 15 and $20,000. When you could have used them to buy 2 more black. So when a girl can ask me if I still love. I still want. Drinks them a soccer salt. Me no want more salt man around blood clot me. If me want 200,000 to make up and buy. If me want 200,000 to make up and buy 1 blood clot. One wheel me can't get it. Me no want them the man they are salt man. Me no want more salt man around me. At 2025 now we are going at 2026. Me no want no more salt man around me. When me not say I gonna make no sense. If the salt don't bother come. And Jakes them salt. It's not just them move around, I could go buy 1 car, Jakes them salt. Jakes mama salt. Them are salt people. Them salt and them get along with them each other. The whole family them live bad. Them are cursed people, them salt. You don't want no more salt man around me. And I can't say me breed, because I don't breed already, but Jakes them salt. All them mama salt. You imagine you don't live now, you pick up live now. Panic. Imagine you was a big woman soon 15 and live in a blood clot way. And your son at 30 and live now in either. And the more have 1 bill now can't go around there. How them can't go around there? As much as you see my bills, them soon live around there, them live bad. The whole scheme no. Run the survey and I scheme and make me lock my ass in.